Hi, do you want to know how to improve your Spanish easily? Keep on watching. I know that you love learning Spanish, and today I wanted to share with you a way of improving your Spanish that you might have not considered, and it's keeping a journal. When I first started learning English, I began to write a journal in which I wrote how my day had been. I also wrote how I was feeling or the things I loved. At first, I kept it really simple and it was only 2, 3 phrases. But then, little by little, I started writing more and more. And I'm telling you, it was one of the best ways to improve my English because not only I realized the things that I needed more work on, but also it gave me so much joy, so much power to know that I could write and I could write in another language. And I still do it to this day. I write my shopping list, I write even recipes and notes on my phone, and you can start doing it too. So you only have to grab a pen and paper and write only 2 or 3 sentences. You'll see that if you get in the habit of doing this every single day, you will improve so much. I'm telling you. And the best thing is that you can write about things that you love, or maybe even better, you can start writing a gratitude journal. I love to write things I'm grateful for, so then you get the benefits of doing that too. I created some journal prompts for you, so if you want to start writing, the link is down below. And also, if you want to start writing in Spanish, I created a guide called Write Like a Pro, and this guide will help you get started with writing because it covers descriptions, it covers emails, formal and informal, shopping lists, and even journaling. I hope this video gave you motivation to start writing. If you need any help, just leave a comment down below, and remember that you can learn Spanish easily and you can improve when you do things that you love on a consistent basis.